Good morning, YouTube. Well, we're halfway through the week. It's a Wednesday. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. Got a little bit of sleep last night until I heard some thumping, so it got the girls frantic, like they never got them settled back down. They're very good watchdogs, but once they get started, there's no stopping them. So got to sleep in a little bit later today. Didn't mean to, but it is what it is. So with that said, let's get the day started. Well, it's coming to the end of the day here. I'm going to take another run at email. Make sure there's a few things I get done that I need to get done before I turn in. Get the girls settled and call it a night. As always, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And you all have a sweet dreams. Night.